We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. Yeah. We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. Yeah. Imagine what I did to my friends in Milan.
Hello, how are you guys? I know it already looks like I've packed all of my bags, and I know this video is like packing and prepping with me. It looks like I'm already done with everything, but would you believe me if I told you that yesterday I came to my parents' house after moving out of my apartment, and tomorrow I'm leaving again to go on vacation? Yeah, that's the situation we are currently in. So basically all of this stuff is from my apartment that I need to take out, put in my wardrobe. I'm not even sure because I don't even know if I can find the place for all these things. And then we need to pack a new bag for a little vacay. So it's gonna be a packed day. I definitely need to try and finish all of this today. So that's why my room is also currently a mess. Also, welcome if you're new here. My name is Natasha if you've never seen me before. Thanks for clicking on. Anyways, before we take care of all of this, I have started to try and like take out some stuff and put them back in place and whatever, but now we don't have any more time to do that because I have a nail appointment. So let's go get our nails done, get a little spring vibes. I have like the weakest nails ever, so I haven't gotten my nails done in over a year, I think. But it's finally time because I don't feel like myself without nails. So I'm so happy I'm getting these little spring nails. I saw some TikToks that I was like, ooh, I like the vibes. So I think I'm gonna go with that. We'll see. Also have not driven a car in over 3 months. So, but to be honest, I don't think that affects my driving at all. Let's put some music on and get going. If I remember how to do this. Oh, and I need to put maps onto so that I know where I'm going. Bluetooth. Okay, let's go.
I'ma get your name tatted all over my face. I don't care what all the models have to say. To make it to the top of you, baby, that's what I pray. I just wanna walk, dog, do it all I can. Yeah, I got a hundred, but it's based to be a fan. Wanna go, baby, bring it back. I know we ain't made it, but yeah, we can do it. I don't care what all the models have to say. To make it to the top of you, baby, that's what I pray. I just wanna walk, dog, do it all I can. Yeah, I got a hundred, but it's based to be a fan. Wanna go, baby, bring it back. I know we ain't made it, but yeah, we can do it.
I just finished. I love my nails so much. I literally just finished them. I'm still outside my nail tech's house. You've seen her in other videos. It's Cleo. Like, she does just the best nails ever. Wait, let me like show you in full detail and go through them in full detail and everything, because like these, I think this is my favorite set that I've ever gotten done. Okay, so we have the thumb. It's also got a little bit of glitter on it and a star and a little sticker and everything. And then we have, okay, this nail, it's got a little butterfly and a little diamond and a little chrome moment. Middle one has little pink French moment going on and also some more diamonds. This one is like my favorite one. The flower for spring, are you kidding me? And then lastly we have French, a little star, a little gold like shooting star moment. No, like this is just the most insane set ever. I'm so ready for spring right now. I just need some like sun and flowers and we're good to go. Okay, I think let's go home now, and I have bags to pack, to unpack and pack. See you when I'm at home. Okay, so as you saw earlier in the video, my room is a mess. And my main mission right now is that I need to free up at least one bag so that I can pack back into it. Literally, I'm going to be talking with my hands the whole time now after doing my nails, but you're just going to have to get used to it. So I think I want to free up this bag because it's a little bit smaller than that one. Also, this is where I have like most of the clothes that I wear most of the time. So I'm going to free that up. And then when I'm packing, it should be easier because I need to pack like by theme, because in the evenings we're going to have different different themes I saw. There was like one night is black and white, another night is cappuccino, so like neutrals, browns, creams, beige, that type of vibe. Another night is like stripes and like boat vibes, you know how you have like white and blue stripes like that, like something in that vibe. Another night was black and white. I'm gonna struggle with that one, I think. One was color block and it said like bring out your most colorful colors, whatever. I don't know how that's gonna go, but yeah, basically it's like the hotel that we're going to every night has a theme. So but that kind of makes the packing easier because I just need to follow the instructions and then we're good. I don't really need to think as much as how I usually do, I guess. That's gonna be fun. And then I need to pack sportswear because we're literally gonna be doing sports this Black holiday. Gonna stay fit, keep healthy. I'm gonna go ahead, plan my outfits. I'll show you the outfits I'm thinking, the vibes I'm going for, and let's just do a little time lapse and get going.
We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. Yeah. We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. We gon' talk every day. Yeah.
You know it's getting serious when the hair is up in a crazy looking bun. But let me show you the few outfits that I've figured out and that I'm gonna be bringing. First up is a very comfortable outfit. From what I've seen for like the weather and stuff, it seems to be kind of cold or like not as warm as I thought it would be and like a little bit rainy. So I'm not really bringing anything summery, but we're going with just comfortable. For example, this outfit is very gray, but it's gonna be so comfortable to just walk around in the city, whatever. We have a little Y2K looking top. I thrifted this. I love it so much. And then together with a pair of like very stretchy suit pants so that, you know, you look put together, but like you're comfortable. So these are wide leg and then there's a little split here at front. And then on top of that, a little sweater vest, which I haven't worn in a million years, but I thought it would look cute. Just like a full gray outfit, basically. And then if we go into a theme, for example, cappuccino theme, we have the very neutral colors. So I have a fun maxi skirt that looks like this. Has a little slit at the front, but or else nothing strange, nothing crazy. I don't know where it's originally from. I did thrift it. Oh, okay, on the back it says Nano Universe. I think it's a Japanese brand, Nano, like that. I'm pretty sure it's a Japanese brand. I thrifted this when I was in Hong Kong, so love. And then the top, this one from Gina Tricot, love it as well with the bows here in the front. And I also have a pair of heels that I'm thinking I could wear with this outfit, also thrifted in Copenhagen. I did actually vlog whilst I thrifted these, so if you haven't watched my thrift vlog from Copenhagen, make sure to do that. Next up, black and white theme. I brought out this. It's basically a Skims dupe dress from Halara. Also done a video on that. And then this really comfortable sweater. Like I really think I'm going to be bringing a lot of sweaters for this vacation because I don't want to be cold. So another pair of heels for that. These ones, pointed toe is clearly my thing. From Zara, little kitten heels. Well, I thrifted them, but they're originally from Zara. And then I was a little unsure for the color blocking one, like the colorful outfits. And like I said, I don't wear super much colors. I like, you know, whites and creams and beiges and blacks and grays, but full on color, I don't really have a lot of that. So I did find a few different things. So either I wear this blue dress where the neck kind of sits up here like that, and then it's a midi dress, so it doesn't go all the way down, but it has like these pastel-y ombre vibes. I don't know how to describe it, from Silk Maison. So I could do this, and then on top of that go with my pink sweater to really be colorful, or instead of the dress, I just wear this pink sweater and then just like some black underneath. So I have this turtleneck, really cute, from Bok. I really like the vibes. I haven't worn it in a really long time actually though, but yeah. And then these sparkly jeans to still have some fun in the outfit. I thought that would be a vibe. By the way, most of these outfits that I'm showing are gonna be for the evening. I mean, no, that's a lie. This is a mix of evening and daytime wear. So I think I might bring both outfit options, and I could wear like this, for example, in the day and then the dress in the night, or the other way around. But I think, yeah, I think I'll just bring both options. Oh, I also think I'm gonna bring my fluffy jacket that I was literally just wearing today. today because I mean it's not a very thick jacket, so I'm not going to be boiling in it, but since it is not going to be super warm either, I think this could be fun to pack with us, as well as maybe another jacket as well. I don't really know. I feel like I'm just stressing so much right now because I have so much to do. Another outfit that's both day and night is all of this stuff, but basically for the day I'm thinking just a white t-shirt, and then on top of that I love wearing this gray knit sweater with a v-neck, so you see the white t-shirt, and then I'm also gonna add maybe like a statement necklace or something. All of that with a pair of just regular blue jeans, and then maybe also this black blazer if it really is cold, super cold, or I could wear the blazer as a little jacket, and then in the evening switch out the top part and wear just this black see-through top just with the blazer and the blue jeans, and once again like these heels. You see the vision? I'm seeing the vision. Okay, and then for the boat theme stripe, blue white stripe vibes, I'm really trying to think once again like what can I also just wear during the day to go with all of this. So I'm just gonna go with a little linen cute top. These are a pair of suit pants, straight leg, and then I have this blue and white knitted cardigan zip up thing, and I'm thinking this one I might just wear it like over my shoulders and not actually like have my arms in it and everything, but just have it as more of a detail. So I think I actually went through those outfits really quickly, which was very good, and I think a lot of these outfits I can wear both day and night, so I don't want to bring a million things either. Like I'm not trying to, I have enough bags to unpack, so when I'm coming back I don't want to be unpacking again like all this stuff. So that's for the clothes. Now for the sportswear, I need to take all of this off. Let's see, I just have a mountain of clothes right now, but for the sports stuff, thanks to Halara that I did a little video with earlier, I actually have a bunch of really cute things. So for example, I have this little top that I could wear. I'm definitely bringing this one. This is like from Primark or something that I bought years ago. I really like in sportswear long sleeves that are like close to the body and everything. I think very flattering, so I'm gonna bring that. What else? Oh, this top is very cute. It's very cropped though, but I think I'm also gonna bring this one. Also showed it in the Halara haul video. Cute. Okay, that's only tops. I need some bottoms too, girl. Should we do gray with the gray? These are a pair of biker shorts from Primark. Could be a vibe, and they don't take up too much space. I don't know how much space I have left in my bag. I need to try and put everything in my bag to be able to see that. What is this? This is another long sleeve top. I mean, I do like it, but I have too many long sleeve tops now, I think. Another pair of biker shorts with like a slight military print, very dark, very subtle. This always good to have. Maybe some tank tops. Oh, I have this Nike tank top. That's great. Pair of leggings would be a vibe. Ooh, I just found this top and I forgot that one of the themes is black and red, but this top is a little bit big. What you wear it like, I think it's crossed in the back if I remember it correctly, but maybe I should bring this, or no, I think I might just bring a little like red bag and just wear that with the old black outfit. It's gonna be too cold to wear this either way. Where are my Nike leggings? They have been missing for a while actually. I don't understand how that happens. Like, how do you lose clothes? I might just have to go with another pair of biker shorts that are black. I think that's good enough for now. And in general, get packing. Let's put everything in the suitcase and think about what other stuff I need to bring. Pajamas, toiletries, etc.
All the way, that's cool. Side niggas ever think I'm a fool, but I'm listening to you. Making pieces of my life that remain. I can't explain all the problems that I face. Thousand hate and I'm steady on my face. On the fucking mic, I'ma spread my rage. I'ma ride on, I'ma leave long like a King Kong. I'ma stand strong. Don't know why I did wrong, but this shit is so long. I'm going to the offset trying to get me down. I don't like your hustle, I ain't like me now. They lost the game, so they're trying to get me out. I don't give a fuck when you talk about me now.
Okay, I actually decided also to add a pair of silver ballerina shoes. and also a pair of black ballerina shoes because I feel like that could always go well with outfits, go day and night. And what I love about ballerinas is that they're so easy to pack. Like they take up no space at all. That's great for a person that is very easily overpacking. Forgot to show you my travel fit because I feel like that's still part of the whole packing vibe. So tomorrow when I travel, let me close my door. When I travel, I'm thinking I'm just gonna wear a white tank top from Gina Tricot with a really cozy cardigan that's like has some buttons, you can open it, close it, and then in a similar color a pair, once again it's suit pants but like with a very stretchy waist, so they're very comfortable. The cardigan was from Stradivarius and I think these pants are, oh, they're from GU. It's like I think a sister company to Uniqlo basically. So I think we packed basically everything. What we have left now is toiletries, so I'm thinking of doing a little ASMR segment for that, so let's go. And here I was stressing that I wasn't gonna be able to do everything that I wanted on time, but we actually did it. Now I'm not gonna say my room is tidy because it's probably the opposite of that, but I'll probably be up all night cleaning and organizing my room. But at least we got our bags packed and ready in time, and we got our nails done before the little vacay. Like, once again, I'm just obsessed with these, like all the details and the pink, and Cleo, she really did that. But anyways, I think I'm gonna leave you guys here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a little like, subscribe if you haven't already. I post every Sunday. If you haven't watched my videos before, make sure to go check out some of my earlier ones if you stayed till the end, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye.
I just want you to read my lips when they calling.